Level up your barbecue game anywhere. Tired of bland apartment grilling or roadside meals? Get ready for smoky perfection on the go. Introducing the Z-Grill's 200A Portable Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. This tabletop powerhouse brings wood-fired flavor to your apartment balcony, RV adventures, or backyard cookouts. It's an 8-in-1 master. Grill, smoke, roast, and more with precise temperature control. The PID version 2.0 controller ensures consistent heat for mouth-watering results every time. Compact and easy to clean, this grill is built for life on the move. Road trippers, apartment dwellers, and homeowners, rejoice. Ready to experience the ultimate in portable grilling? Head to the summarized product description to grab your Z-Grill's 200A today. Don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow barbecue enthusiasts.